just southeast of Hallsville, Texas, adjacent to Brandy Branch Reservoir, you will find the H.W. Pirkey Power Plant. It has been part of the East Texas landscape for the past 40 years. It was then in the summer of 1982 when 30 young men joined SWEPCO as apprentice machinists. Today, 12 of them are still here and plan to remain until the plant's final day set for March 31st, 2023.
We started out straight out of high school, most of us.
I was 20 years old when I hired on here.
SWEPCO did it right. They hired some good guys.
When we started up, things were totally different than they are today. Everything was different.
Finally, when they got us down to about 24 of us, they hired 30 originally, and so ended up with 24 good people. They're like brothers to me.
It means quite a bit. You know, we've all been through a lot. We've all been through marriages, divorces, deaths, things like that. We're more than just co-workers. We're like brothers out here.
Now, 40 years later, they are counting down the days they have left together at Pirkey.
You know, my whole career, I've driven 6 miles to this facility.
I miss the people, you know, and I'll miss working on equipment. You know, I'm in supervision now, and I miss working on equipment now, being in supervision.
The camaraderie, because like I said, we're all one big family here, basically.
The people, getting to see the guys that I work with every day, most definitely. We spent more time with the guys out here than we have our families.